い、こんにちは、あすこ先生です。Hi, I'm あすこ先生, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about あります with place. Yes. So, have you ever learned あります? Yes. So, あります is very useful word. Yes, verb. Shows like there are kind of sentence. So, you can use with place and then mention something is there. Okay, so for example, there is a TV in the room. Yes, so we use あります to describe this sentence. 部屋 and then something. テレビ something. あります Can you make it? 部屋にテレビがあります。Yes, so あります shows something, in this case TV, テレビ exist, is there 部屋に in the room. Yes, so あります literally means exist in Japanese language, so it shows something occupy a certain space, in this case 部屋. Yes, so 部屋にテレビがあります. So that's why we use the particle に to show the place.In this case, 部屋 room. Okay? But almost the same sentence structure and almost the same verb あります But we use another particle to mention place. So let's see another example. There is a firework display in Tokyo. Yes. So in this case, 東京、花火大会 Hanabi means fireworks, and then 大会 is a kind of festival, or in this case display, the big event. 大会があります So there is a firework display. This part is the same. Yes, 花火大会があります And then here 東京でYes, it is a this place. Why? Yes, so when you use 東京で this day shows some action happened at a certain place. Yes, so for example, if you eat lunch, お昼ご飯を食べます Yes, 昼ご飯を食べます And the restaurant レストランで昼ご飯を食べます So 食べます eating action happened in that restaurant. Yes, so that's why we use で But in this case 花火大会があります So あります still means is or exists. Yes, so the firework display exists. Yes, but firework display, this one 花火大会 is a certain action. Yes, event. Yes, something is going on there. Boom, 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 boom. Yes. So that's why we don't use に in this case, even though the same verb あります Yes, we use で because 花火大会 this noun has a meaning. This is action. Yes, so 東京で花火大会があります There is used.Another type of this one is like コンサート東京でコンサートがあります or オリンピック Olympics Yes 東京でオリンピックがありました Yes in Tokyo we had Olympics Yes so in this case you know when we mention some event names we use で because event is lots of action is going on. Yes, so 東京で花火大会がありました So today I'm talking about the place particle with the verb あります Yes, so normally in the usually we mention something exists a certain space Yes, so that's why 部屋にテレビがあります We use に to show the place something exists Yes, because this thing, TV occupy a certain space and then no action Yes, but when we mention events Yes, we use the same verb あります but when we mention the place where the event happens, we use で because event is lots of actions. Yes? Hope it helps. See you next time. さようなら。またね